Welcome to Bevill House.
So this part of the house is where our clients have improved and remodelled in many ways. The kitchen I'm standing in here now has been changed from the rear of the house to the front of the house, making easy access to the gardens. There's a beautiful porcelain tile floor in the family room out into the sunroom. There's also a sumptuous living room with a Minster style fireplace. Plenty of space on the first floor, 5 or 6 bedrooms, ensuite, main family bathroom. Really nicely done. Condensing boiler for the main gas central heating. There's also heat pumps through for air conditioning to keep the property cool in the summer. Simply some of the best views North Cornwall, in fact the whole of the UK, has to offer. Down across Bude town towards the sea, with the cliffs near Widmouth and Crackington, with Trevose Head in the far distance. Some of the finest views to be enjoyed from this elevated position aloft Stamford Hill. There's a huge double garage which has been rebuilt by our clients. And you find me now in the swimming pool patio enclosure. Lovely big patio and a heated outdoor swimming pool behind me. Fantastic facility. It's got a heat pump. It's also got a heat recovery system to make that as economic as possible to run. But a lovely enclosure, catches the sun all day. And as you can see behind me, has a beautiful backdrop of the gardens with the colours of the fuchsias, trees set in behind. The beautiful newly laid patio is an ideal place to sit and enjoy those lovely views. You also have a fine view of the property, which is stunning. Just under 2.5 acres of lawns, orchard, kitchen garden, mature trees and shrubs. But again, ultimately, this is all to do with the views. Set behind me, the views down towards the North Cornish coastline with Trevose Head in the distance. Some of the finest to enjoy in Cornwall. If you're interested in Bevill House, please do give us a call on 01288 353 661, and we'd love to see you and show you around this beautiful property.